Okay, today I'm going to go through how to use the microwaves at school. I'm sure most people have used a microwave. We'll just go through the basic rules of what we expect. So, to open the door, close the door, microwave, same as what you've got at home. Any food that you put in the microwave, obviously never goes in a metal bowl. We never use foil to cover anything. Any food that's been wrapped in foil, make sure all the foil has been removed, so metals are out. Okay. Your food can go in a microwave-proof plastic container or in a glass bowl. Okay. Always make sure it is covered. Okay. We can either use a Glad wrap or we have our microwave covers, and they can go over the food, which in your assignments, this is more sustainable than that because that is single use, this is repeat use. Okay, so a bowl can go in, everything that goes in there must be covered. Okay, for some reason, if your food does make a mess, clean it up straight away. The easiest button to use on this is hit that 30 seconds and press start. Okay, if you need it for a minute, you can press that twice. 2 minutes, you can press it 4 times. Okay, there's a stop button and a cancel button. If you know you're cooking for 2 minutes and you just want to put the 2 minutes in, you can also do that. Okay, so certain things that don't go in the microwave, whole eggs, you can't deep fry in a microwave, so you can't heat the oil up in a microwave and try to put something in it. It is mainly a reheating and melting tool, but it obviously can be used for other functions. Main things to remember: cover everything, no metals.